On today's episode, we're installing a load lifter adjustable air springs 5000 1998 Yukon.
The bottom out bumper normally is on this one. It's already dried out and falling off. So according to the video on the website, you take these brackets off. The top of the airbag bolts there, and the bottom rests on this flat plate. It's got a bracket and a strap that goes around the axle. We'll be showing that later. These are 15mm bolts and nuts. That top one's really hard to get a wrench on.
This is on the passenger side, removing that same bracket.
Arms falling asleep.
And then these bottom brackets go on next. Here is the old bump stop bracket. Don't need that. Now just tightening up all the hardware. You gotta run the lines and she's done.
Push it in and it's sealed.
Like an ice maker.
Like an ice maker. Put it on the side that's away from the exhaust.
So this guy had nowhere good to put a Schrader valve unless you want to drill a hole in the bumper. That's kind of thick. That might cause rust. The tag real thin. We'll mount it on the tag. The bag's installed with air pressure and a trailer hitched up.